Hi guys, Festival Sound Vlog. Here's May. May, say hello. Thank you, May. I'm really excited. Hey guys. Wow. Don't mind my hair. Also, I cut my hair. Anywho, so I didn't get to film any of this because I forgot to. But I had a youth orchestra concert tonight. It happened. It's already done with. But yeah, I have Festival Sound rehearsal tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, and then our first show is Friday. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm dying right now. It's cold season, so sorry. I'm definitely starting to get something, which isn't good. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, day 2. It is ugly sweater day. Here's May. You wanna be
It's not ugly sweater day for me.
May is serving.
Aiden's coming back.
Yes! It's Aiden!
Miss Suter is
Hi.
After crying for a little bit, I'm here with Alice and Sarah.
Hi, I'm trying to fix my water bottle.
Yeah, Sarah's water brother was broke.
These earrings hurt my ears.
Schultz has hot glue.
There's one in the choir room.
There's hot glue in the choir room?
Wait, really?
Yeah, there's hot glue.
Since when?
That's what I'm saying. I'm not even in choir.
It's literally been there.
Today's gonna be our first full rehearsal, full music department rehearsal.
Wait, bands too?
Oh no! Oh, there you go.
I have bowling. My, she's a loser. Yeah, I'm not a loser.
She bowls.
You're a loser. You dance.
You sing.
Not right now.
Ah!
You sing too. You also are.
You're wearing Bright and Merry earrings.
Yeah, because I'm cool. You're gay.
I know I am. Thank you.
Like NASCAR racing.
A little.
The vlog. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, December 15th. Here's Aiden in his hat. Here's May. Why is this man giving birth? Context, there's a guy doing like a pregnancy fake simulation thing right now, and
There's a man giving birth over there.
I'm really concerned. Anywho, welcome to Park. We're in acting class. You want to be in it, Grace?
Is there a pink one? Hey.
Brendan Loy, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Oh, my nose. Oh my gosh. It is Friday in the morning. Friday, our opening night. Yesterday we had a dress rehearsal. Today at 10 a.m. We're playing for the middle schools. And then our first show is at 7. I'm really excited. My mom and I packed lunch last night. Guys, goldfish. But I have my dress all packed up. I have my shoes, which I'm probably not gonna wear heels this time around because I've got to run a lot and move a lot, and I don't think I want to wear heels. Plus, I'm playing. Yeah, no, not this time around. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm actually not that tired today. I slept from like 8 until 5:30 a.m. But that's because I got up and made food. But I didn't need to get up that early because, yeah. Okay, bye guys. Okay, here's the pantry. All right. Ari, go ahead. And here is Ari with her chicken chaw.
Yes, the lady at the house.
Next to the pantry. Ari, how do you feel about today?
I feel extremely sick and I'm on a ton of drugs right now, including cough suppressants, Dayquil.
Okay.
But I'm otherwise excited.
Great.
How do you feel about today?
I don't want to be here. I want to go home. I'm tired. LOL. Come see the show.
What are we answering?
How do you feel about today?
I feel like I'm gonna die. Yeah.
But you look great. I just realized how close I was to your face. Kai, vlog. How do you feel about today? Great.
Vlog.
Hello.
Festival sound vlog. Did I do it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
There's so much mascara on my eyelids. There is.
I'm in your vlog. Hi. This is a great angle. Thank you.
Hi guys. So today was a very busy day, as you can tell from all of the great videos I got of band members and, you know. So today we played for the middle schoolers. That went really well, actually. They really enjoyed it, which was surprising. Normally, they don't enjoy it. They think it's weird. But we did really good this time around. Yay! And if you want to know, I'm cutting potatoes right now. I'm making soup. It's like a potato soup, but we're adding carrots into it. It's like a creamy potato soup. But concert is in a few hours. And yeah, it's gonna be a good one. I hope. We can hope that it's gonna be a good one. I mean, I think it's going to be a good one, but it's just odd that it's my last Festival of Sound. I mean, like, I never thought that I'd get to the point where it's my last Festival of Sound, but I don't know. I mean, I'm sad. I'm happy that you know, I've stuck out this long in the orchestra program, music program and all, but, yeah, I think it's gonna be really good. Yeah. See you later. Okay, guys, I'm about to leave. Okay, that's really loud. I'm about to leave for the school, to go get set up. Woo!
It should be spelled A-E-M-I-L-A.
It's my first concert and I feel nothing.
Well,
Also, my hairline is fucked up, but that's alright.
You got it.
Had at least 10 run-ons.
So you guys, actually, look, you can see me now. Oh, no, you can't see me, but first show night is over, and my spine hurts. I can't really feel it. I'm walking funny, but other than that, it was really good. I had a lot of family come to tonight's show, which was good. I have no complaints. I mean, it went really well. Surprisingly, it went really well. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. I'm in a car. I can't feel my spine. Alright guys, so I'm about to leave to go to the school to do night 2 of the concert. I definitely am coming down with something. I took a lot of medicine and my back It still feels like crap. It's up to my shoulders now and my hips, but I did some heat on it and it feels kind of good. So, oh god, I'm gonna go now, and I made it. By the way, it's snowing. It's covered in snow. It's so cold outside. Okay, so I had some soup. I'm laying on a hot pad right now, a heating pad. And I'm really tired. I took NyQuil like 30 minutes ago and it's kicking in. So I'm gonna go to bed. See you tomorrow. Miley. Excuse me. Good morning, everyone. Don't mind my disheveled look. I have a massive headache, and I am not having a great morning. I've been up since 8. It's now 10:47, 10:48. Sophia. I'm gonna take my medicine, wash it down with some strawberry pop water. It's like a seltzer. I don't know. I don't care. I have one more show tonight, and then I'm done. Yay! Last show night.
Do you guys want to be in the vlog? Okay.
I want to thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. This one is a very special one to me because Festival of Sound has been something I've been doing since I was a freshman, and now this is my last one. And it's really crazy to think that I went from just playing the violin in the younger group to being the section leader of the bass section in the younger group, second violin section leader in the older group, and then playing electric bass for a song. I think it's just very crazy how far I've come as a musician, and I'm pretty sad. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it, but I will see you guys in the next video. I don't know what the next one's gonna be. Maybe winter break, I'll do like a little thing, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and see you guys next time. Bye.